Greetings to all my dear students. I welcome you all into the new year 2021 with wishes and prayers of good health and wellness. I thank Madam Principal for her noble initiative of providing students with motivational sessions for self development. From now onwards, teachers will reach out to you through the medium of audios, videos, or PowerPoint presentations to motivate, encourage, and inspire you in the journey of seeking education. Today, I, Pooja Sharma, your coordinator, will speak on developing a positive attitude for better learning. I will share some useful tips with you which will help you in further nurturing your positivity. Firstly, avoid all negative vibes and thoughts. Mainly, in life, there will be some people who will encourage you in life, but some are there who will give negative comments or viewpoints in the process of your learning. Life is filled with different kinds of people. Some are very encouraging, but some are not boosting us. But we may feel that we are being pulled down. The first tip is avoid and ignore such comments. This will help you to be positive and will bring positive thoughts in your mind. Tip to deal with such a situation can be that when you need some kind of encouragement in certain matters, always go near those whom you think are good for your thought process, like your parents, grandparents, siblings, close relatives, teachers, or anyone with whom you are comfortable in taking guidance from. Never talk about your personal problems with those who will pass negativity in your mind. If you are not able to concentrate or you are having some problems while studying, always take help from teachers and parents. They are the best source for giving positive thoughts, motivation, and remedies to your problems. Secondly, students, the best teacher is life, real life experience. There are many real life examples that can motivate you to think positively. There are number of people who started their life with zero and now at present they are the most successful persons in life. So, dear students, you must understand that no one is born with the silver spoon. They also had their hardships in life and they also made successful lives. We know so many names: Mother Teresa, Nelson Mandela, President Obama of USA, who was the president, Steve Jobs, and many others. Tip for you is that you must read about famous Nobel personalities and learn how they build the positive attitude towards life. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, is one of the best examples that each one of us should read about. Read autobiographies, read biographies, read about the great personalities and incorporate their goodness in your thoughts and actions. Famous persons having disability in learning like Albert Einstein will motivate you that how you can also be successful in your life. Also, the third most important point towards being a positive person is appreciating and loving yourself for who you are with the possibility of improvement leading to perfection. Nobody is born excellent or born perfect or born a genius. You must always appreciate your strengths and good qualities. Everyone mostly looks at others' life and wishes that it will be the same for them. But actually, others also have some problems in their life. Everyone has their own struggles in their life. The tip to develop this ability to appreciate yourself, to applaud yourself, is to identify your qualities and your strengths. The tip: you must always make a checklist of your good work areas and weak areas where you need improvement. Like I said, no one is born with perfection. Everyone has their own merits and demerits in life. A fish can swim, a bird can fly. You cannot expect a fish to fly and a bird to swim. So you must accept life as it comes and accept your weak areas, work on them slowly and gradually, and soon you will realize that you have worked on your personality in a positive manner. Now, one more thing that I would like to speak about, which plays a very vital role in our positive thought process, is the need of wellness and fitness. You must have heard that during the COVID 19 lockdown, you were asked to do yoga and exercise on a regular basis. During COVID 19 pandemic lockdown, all of you were asked and have been asked to follow the lockdown since 19th March 2020. Physical growth and fitness affects our mental state of mind. Mental health must be achieved through regular yoga and exercise that you can safely do in the secure environment of your homes. Yoga and exercise are best techniques to bring a positive attitude towards life. They are the best medicine to stress relief, and it really helps to bring positive thoughts. Yoga also helps to increase concentration skills, which will further enable you to focus more on your studies. Once you are satisfied with your life, then you will develop the skill to fight against all odds. Learning mainly needs the willpower of achieving your goals. Once you set the goal in your life, then no one can stop you, and you will be the happiest person for yourself. You have to be fit mentally and physically. This will lead to positive attitude towards everything and everyone around you. Along with yoga and exercise, diet also plays a vital role. Healthy food helps to be fresh and alert in every process. So always prefer home cooked healthy food, which will help you to be positive towards life. I hope these tips and suggestions will lead you towards achieving a positive attitude in your daily life. Students, you must follow these tips to be active in life. I agree that it is easy to say but difficult to be positive 24 hours of a day. But you have to try to bring positive thoughts in life. It is really hard to be optimistic in life, but to be confident and to achieve your goals, you must develop an optimistic thought process. Positive, optimistic, encouraging thoughts make us confident, enthusiastic, and bring a kind of energy in life which is very essential to reach one's goal and lead a successful life. Always remember that it is not the idea, but it is the execution that makes you a winner. In the end, I wish you and your family good health and safety. Please try to incorporate all the tips shared with you in this audio for your well being. Once again, I want to remind you that now, every month, your teachers will be sharing such valuable thoughts with you, which will help you to lead a successful student life and also make the future years for you joyous and prosperous. Thank you.